Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shippo on Wix. First, you'll connect your Wix store to Shippo in just a few simple steps. This integration allows you to manage all your shipping needs directly from one centralized platform. You'll gain access to significantly discounted rates from over 80 global shipping carriers, helping you save money on every package. This seamless connection ensures your order information flows smoothly, making your fulfillment process much more efficient. Once connected, you can easily configure your shipping rules within Shippo. You have the flexibility to define shipping methods based on various criteria, such as the total weight of an order, its price, or even the number of items. This allows you to offer diverse delivery options, including standard, expedited, or international shipping. You can also set up precise flat rates or utilize calculated rates to ensure your customers are charged accurately for their shipments, enhancing transparency. Now, let's talk about creating labels. Shippo automatically imports your Wix orders, so you don't need to manually enter any data. This saves a significant amount of time. You can then generate and print shipping labels in bulk, which is incredibly useful for businesses with high order volumes. Shippo supports various label formats, including the popular 4x6-inch thermal labels, ensuring compatibility with your existing printing setup. It's a straightforward process. Finally, Shippo helps you keep your customers informed and happy. You can provide them with real-time tracking updates, giving them peace of mind about their purchases. Automated shipping notifications ensure buyers receive timely alerts about their order status, from dispatch to delivery. Furthermore, you gain access to detailed shipping analytics, offering valuable insights into your fulfillment operations. This data helps you continuously optimize your processes and improve overall customer satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.